Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today we will be learning about the part 3 of the cardiovascular system, that is about the structure of the heart. Okay. So this is a roughly drawn structure, okay, about the heart, and this heart, it is about 10 centimeter long. So now we will be knowing about the myocardium, that is the middle layer of the heart. So this is the myocardium. You can see the structure, it is like zigzag I have drawn. Okay, if I am taking one part, okay, one part under the microscope, then how it will be seen. Okay. अगर एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा पेरिकार्डियम का मायोकार्डियम का लाके माइक्रोस्कोप में देखेंगे तो इस तरह का कुछ स्ट्रक्चर देखने को मिलता है. ओके, हाउ इट इज. The drawn structure of the heart, it is a cone shaped hollow muscular organ. Okay, it is about 10 centimeter long and the size of owner fist. Owner fist matlab this one. Okay, it is the size of the owner fist and it is 10 centimeter long. Okay. Its weight about for female and for male. Okay, heart का जो weight है वो different होता है for the female and for the male. Okay, for female it's 225 gram and for male is 310 gram. Okay, so it is a cone shaped hollow muscular organ. It's 10 centimeter long in size of the owner fist. The weight of the heart is for female is 225 gram and for male is 310 gram. Okay, now the heart forms the base and the apex. This is the base and this is the apex of the heart. This is the base and the apex of the heart. Okay, the heart that lies in our thoracic cavity, it lies in a thoracic cavity. Okay, heart lies in our thoracic cavity and it is in the left side of the thoracic cavity. Okay, it lies in the thoracic cavity, but which side? In the left side. Okay, it is not in the right side, it is in the left side. Left side of the thoracic cavity. Okay, so the apex of the heart, it is in the fifth intercostal space. Okay, the apex of the heart is in the fifth intercostal space. Okay, so this is all about the small information about the heart. Okay, so heart कहाँ पे lie करता है? It is in the left side of a thoracic cavity. Okay, what is its weight? Its weight for the female is 25 gram and for the male is 310 gram. Okay, that are the important point. And the apex of the heart, it is in the fifth intercostal space. Okay, now the wall of the heart. This is the wall of the heart, right? They are the wall of the heart. This wall of the heart, it consists of 3 layers of tissue. Okay, how it made up of? It made up of 3 layers of tissue. The wall, this is the wall. Okay, this wall, the wall of the heart, this wall, this part, ठीक है, मतलब this part. Okay, it is made up of 3 layers of tissue. Okay, for short form you can remember PME. Okay, the wall of the heart, it consists of, or it's made up of 3 layers of tissue, that is PME. Now what is P, what is M, and what is E? Okay, so this is P. P matlab pericardium. What is M? Myocardium. And what is E? Endocardium. Okay, pericardium is the outermost layer. Myocardium is the middle layer. Endocardium is the inner layer. Okay, we will be starting about the pericardium now. So let's have a structure of the wall of the heart. Okay, this is a figure of the wall of the heart. Structure of the wall of the heart. This is the pericardium. This is your myocardium. Actually, this whole is the pericardium. Okay, it falls under pericardium, endocardium. This is the structure of the wall of the heart. This whole is the pericardium. This is the middle one is the myo, and the inner one is the endocardium. Okay. Now we will be learning about the pericardium. Okay. Actually, this pericardium, it has two sacs. Okay. Pericardium has two sac or two pouch. Okay. मतलब यहाँ पे दो टाइप का पेरिकार्डियम है. जस्ट फॉर रफली यू नो, मतलब यहाँ पे दो टाइप का पेरिकार्डियम है. ओके, two sac of the pericardium is there. Okay, the outer sac is known as the fibrous pericardium and inner sac is known as the serous pericardium. Okay, the outer is known as inner serous pericardium. ये आउटर वाला पार्ट है, ये पूरा पेरिकार्डियम का ही पार्ट है. It has two sac. Okay, all total it comes under pericardium only, wall of the pericardium. Okay, it has two sac. Pericardium has two sac. Okay. Outer is ferrous pericardium. This is the ferrous pericardium outer part. This is outer and this is inner. It is outer is the fibrous pericardium, and inner is the serous pericardium. Okay, now outer is known as the fibrous pericardium because it consists of the fibrous tissue. Outer pericardium is consists of the fibrous tissue. That's what is known as the fibrous pericardium. Okay, and this fibrous pericardium, it is inelastic in nature. Okay, this fibrous pericardium, it is inelastic in nature. Okay, okay, and it prevents our heart for being over distension. Okay, this fibrous pericardium, it is inelastic in nature because it consists of fibrous tissue. Okay, it consists of fibrous tissue. That prevents our heart from the over distension. Okay, prevents our heart from being over distension. Okay, the outer tissue, that is known as the fibrous pericardium. Okay, it consists of the fibrous tissue and it is inelastic in nature. Why it's inelastic in nature? Because it helps our heart for being over distension. Okay, now let's come to the inner pericardium. This inner pericardium, it consists of double layer of serous membrane. Okay, inner pericardium, that is known as the serous pericardium. Okay, this is inner pericardium is known as the serous pericardium. Okay, inner pericardium. known as serous pericardium. ठीक है, because it has the double layer of serous membrane. Okay, inner pericardium or inner serous pericardium, this have the double layer of serous membrane. Can you see the double layer? This is one layer and this is one layer. Okay, this consists of double layer of serous membrane. It has double layer of serous membrane. Okay, okay. Now the outer layer of the serous membrane, what is known? If this is the double layer of the serous membrane, the outer layer of the serous membrane is known as the parietal pericardium. Parietal pericardium. Okay, and the inner layer is known as the visceral pericardium. Visceral pericardium. Okay, this serous membrane, it has a double layer of the serous membrane. The outer layer is known as the parietal pericardium. The inner layer is known as the visceral pericardium. Okay, so this serous membrane, it consists of flattened epithelial cell. वहाँ पे जो सेल है, serous membrane पे जो सेल है, वो कैसा सेल है, किससे बना है, कौन सा सेल से बना है? Flattened epithelial cell. Serous membrane consists of flattened epithelial cell. ठीक है, this serous membrane, it consists of flattened epithelial cell. Okay, because of the flattened epithelial cell, यहाँ पे एक serous fluid भी secrete होता है. Okay, because this serous membrane, it consists of flattened epithelial cell, it secretes a serous fluid known as pericardial fluid. It secretes a serous fluid known as pericardial fluid. Okay, and this help in the smooth movement when the heart beats. Okay, the serous membrane consists of the flattened epithelial cell, and this cell, they secrete a serous fluid that is known as the parietal fluid, and this fluid help in a smooth movement when the heart beats. Okay, this is about the pericardium. Okay, about the outer layer of the pericardium, and we had known that it has two sets. Okay, the fibrous pericardium and the serous pericardium. Okay, serous pericardium also have the double layer of serous membrane. The outer layer is parietal pericardium and the inner layer is visceral pericardium. Okay, this serous membrane, it consists of what? Flattened epithelial cell. They secretes a serous fluid. Okay, that is known as the parietal fluid. Okay, sorry, that is known as the pericardial fluid. Okay, this visceral pericardium and parietal pericardium, it lies in between the visceral and parietal pericardium. In this part pericardial fluid is there. Okay, Okay, it lies in between the visceral pericardium and parietal pericardium. Okay, this serous membrane, it consists of the what? Flattened epithelial cell, and it secretes a serous membrane, serous fluid called as pericardial fluid, and it lies in between the visceral pericardium and parietal pericardium. Okay, and this fluid help in the smooth movement when the heart beats. Okay, this is about the pericardium. Now we will be going to the myocardium. So when we will take one part of the myocardium and we will put it under the microscope, so we can see the structure like this. Okay, this is the nucleus. These are the branches. This is the intercalated disc. ओके, स्ट्रक्चर कुछ इस तरह का दिखाई देता है मायोकार्डियम में. न्यूक्लियस, ब्रांचेस एंड इंटरसैलेटेड डिस्क. ओके, दिस appearance, the appearance is like the appearance of the sheet. ये जो appearance है मायोकार्डियम में, ये एक शीट की तरह दिखाई देता है. It seems the appearance seems like a sheet. Okay. ओके, सो ये जो अपीयरेंस है एक शीट की तरह दिखाई देते हैं इन द मायोकार्डियम. ओके, एंड द मायोकार्डियम इज मेड अप ऑफ स्पेशलाइज्ड कार्डियक मसल्स दैट इज ओनली फाउंड इन हार्ट. स्पेशलाइज्ड कार्डियक मसल्स that is only found in heart. Okay, so this sheet have some specialized cell. Okay, इस sheet में कुछ specialized ऐसा cells है that helps the heart. Okay, that helps the electric signals for transmitting. Okay, इस sheet में ऐसा कुछ specialized cells है. Okay, that helps the electrical signals for transmitting. इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स जो हार्ट से जनरेट होते हैं वो इस शीट में कुछ स्पेशलाइज्ड सेल्स है जिसके वजह से ट्रांसमिट होने में मदद होता है. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द शीट ऑफ द मायोकार्डियम. ओके, एंड दिस मायोकार्डियम इट इज in the heart. Can you see in the heart, can you see the ऊपर में क्या है थोड़ा थिन है. ओके, एंड नीचे में क्या है थोड़ा थिकेस्ट है. इन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑल्सो इट इज थिकेस्ट. ओके, द मायोकार्डियम इज थिन इन द दिस वन व्हाट बेस एंड इट्स थिकेस्ट इन द एपेक्स. Myocardium is thin in the base and thickest in the apex. Okay, also it is thickest in the left side of the ventricles. Okay, left side of the ventricles मायोकार्डियम थोड़ा क्या है थिक है वहाँ पे. ओके, बिकॉज जहाँ पे थिक है मायोकार्डियम, जहाँ पे थिक है वो दैट एंश्योर्स, वो क्या एंश्योर करते हैं कि दैट पार्ट ऑफ द हार्ट हैव अ ग्रेटर प्रेशर टू वर्क. ओके, वहाँ पे मतलब वर्कलोड बहुत ज़्यादा है. जहाँ पे थिन है वहाँ पे वर्कलोड थोड़ा कम है, और जिस जगह में थिकेस्ट बहुत बड़ा है, ठीक है, उस जगह में वर्कलोड बहुत ज़्यादा है. मतलब वेंट्रिकल्स के लेफ्ट साइड वेंट्रिकल्स में वर्कलोड बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे मायोकार्डियम क्या है बहुत ठीक है. ओके, this ensures death. Okay, this is all about myocardium. Okay, now we will be knowing about the endocardium. Endocardium is the inner layer. Okay, it is the inner layer. It consists of what? Flattened epithelial cells. Flattened epithelial cell. Okay, endocardium is the inner layer. It consists of flattened epithelial cell. Okay, and it has the smooth membrane. It has the smooth membrane. For the smooth flow of blood. Okay, endocardium, it is the inner layer. It consists of the flattened epithelial cell and it has the smooth membrane for the smooth flow of the blood. Okay, so this is all about the endocardium. So today we have learned about the pericardium, myocardium, endocardium. Okay, tomorrow we will be knowing about the interior of the heart and also the blood flow of the heart. Blood flow कैसे होते हैं heart में and the interior structure of the heart. Okay, so today we have studied in the PME, that is the pericardium, myocardium and endocardium. That pericardium में क्या होता है? It has two sacs. Okay, the outer sac is the fibrous pericardium and the inner is the serous pericardium. Outer sac में क्या होता है? फाइब्रस टिश्यू ज़्यादा होता है जिसकी वजह से हार्ट में प्रिवेंट करता है फॉर ओवर डिस्टेंशन. ओके, एंड इनर लेयर में क्या होता है? इन द सेरस पेरिकार्डियम में. ओके, इट सेरस पेरिकार्डियम में डबल लेयर ऑफ सेरस मेम्ब्रेन होते हैं. ओके, द आउटर लेयर, डबल लेयर ऑफ सेरस मेम्ब्रेन एंड द आउटर लेयर ऑफ द सेरस मेम्ब्रेन is known as what? Parietal pericardium, and the inner layer is known as visceral pericardium. Okay, and ये serous membrane किससे तैयार होता है? By the flattened epithelial cell. Okay, and this flattened epithelial cell वो क्या करते हैं? That secretes some serous fluid that is known as pericardial fluid. Okay, and this pericardial fluid that helps in what? For the smooth movement when the heart beats. Okay, that is about the pericardium. Now let's go to the myocardium. Myocardium में क्या है? When we will take one structure and look under the microscope, we will see in the structure like a sheet. Okay, so there are what? There are nucleus, intercalated disc, there are fibers or branches. Okay, so this sheet, it's that helps in ट्रांसमिटिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स. जो हार्ट जो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं वो ट्रांसमिट होने में दिस शीट हेल्प्स. ओके, एंड ये मायोकार्डियम कहाँ है? बेस में थिन है और एपेक्स में क्या है? थिक है. क्यों? बिकॉज द वर्कलोड इन द एपेक्स एरिया और इन द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल्स इट इज़ हाई. वहाँ पे वर्कलोड बहुत ज़्यादा है और जिस जिस जगह में वर्कलोड ज़्यादा होता है उस जगह में क्या होता है? मायोकार्डियम क्या होता है? थिक होता है. ओके, देन कम्स टू द एंडोकार्डियम. एंडोकार्डियम, इट इज़ द इनर लेयर. ओके, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट? फ्लैटेंड एपिथेलियल सेल. ओके, एंड it also has the smooth membrane for the smooth flow of the blood. Okay, so this is about today's topic. Okay, so if you have any queries you can comment me below. Thank, that helps in ट्रांसमिटिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स, जो हार्ट जो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं वो ट्रांसमिट होने में दिस शिट हेल्प्स। ओके, एंड ये मायोकार्डियम कहाँ है, बेस में थिन है और एपेक्स में क्या है, थिक है। क्यों? बिकॉज द वर्कलोड इन द एपेक्स एरिया और इन द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल्स इट इज़ हाई, वहाँ पे वर्कलोड बहुत ज़्यादा है, और जिस जिस जगह में वर्कलोड ज़्यादा होता है उस जगह में क्या होता है, मायोकार्डियम क्या होता है, थिक होता है। ओके, देन कम्स टू द एंडोकार्डियम। एंडोकार्डियम इट इज़ द इनर लेयर। ओके, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट, flattened epithelial cell. Okay, and it also has the smooth membrane for the smooth flow of the blood. Okay, so this is about today's topic. Okay, so if you have any queries you can comment me below.